It is Kirby at Electric Fossil Studio in Milford, Delaware, and I will tell you a story about how I realized that music is art, not competition. So, when I was a kid, I went to perform solo at an open mic night. I performed a Beck song and a Tom Petty song, and I was really nervous. And I did okay. But the band after me covered some Jimi Hendrix songs. Completely blew me away and shattered my confidence. As a kid, you're kind of thinking relative to other kids where you stand. The next night, however, I went to my very first concert and saw presidents of the United States of America at our state fair. Now they had two songs out that were pretty huge called "Peaches" and "Lump" in the mid '90s, and it was great. They were fun. Everybody had a good time. I had a good time, and I was watching them going like, they're not doing anything technically great. They're not like some wizards on the guitar, and you don't have to be. You have to write the song that you want to sing. You have to be good enough to get out what's in your heart. Because music is art, it's not competition. Jimi Hendrix just happened to be a beautiful guitar player, but that was in his heart. He didn't write Beatles songs, he wrote Jimi Hendrix songs. So you write your songs.